High-pressure washer hose, used on hot and cold water high-pressure cleaning equipment, is required in heavy-duty services, but not for use with steam transportation. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor cleaning applications. Using a pressure washer hose is the best way to ensure that your pressure washer will work properly and last for many years. Pressure washer hoses are important parts of keeping your pressure washer in good condition. By using a quality pressure washer hose, you can avoid potential damage to your pressure washer and keep it working like new. For pressure washer hose, the wire-braided reinforcement keeps the hose sturdy and kink-resistant. High-strength rubber cover keeps hose abrasion-resistant and durable. The reinforced rubber adds extra strength for hot and cold water. It won't leave marks on concrete, floors, pavement, houses, or buildings at your power washing jobs. The knee bend restrictors help reduce wear and tear on the connectors. Our pressure washer hose comes with fittings, with common options being M22*1.5 or NPT coupling. Additionally, a swivel connector at one end helps prevent tangles and kinking. Available in both smooth and wrapped surfaces. The hot-selling colors include black, blue, and gray. Moreover, popular sizes range from 6mm to 10mm, with 10mm being the most in demand. Produced from PVC and rubber materials, our high-pressure washer hose is exported to various countries, such as the USA, Japan, and Saudi Arabia. For each order, we will make pressure test, mandrel test to assure the assembly hose available. Over the years, we have maintained stable quality and often receive positive feedback from our customers. If customers need samples to inspect the quality of our hoses, we can provide them for free. We have a professional team with high skills and a big workshop to make assemble hose specially. Our customer can customize length, colors, fitting type, tackage type, etc. We supply customers one-stop service. Choosing ORIENT Flex hose will not let our customers disappointed. Welcome to order with us.